Hello viewers, this is Dow Too Fast here. In today's video I will be installing LED headlight bulb on this 2018 Toyota Tacoma. Now if you look at the factory headlight housing, the low beam uses projector lens and the bulb size is H11. Now before I remove the factory halogen bulb, let me turn it on so you can see what it looks like with the halogen bulb. Right now you're looking at the low beam headlight with the halogen bulb, and it has a typical yellow color to it. Before I do the install, let me show you the LED light that I'll be using. Here's a look at this LED headlight from the company Auxito. This one I have here is the H11 bulb size. Now each LED light will output 4500 lumen, and the color temperature is 6500 Kelvin, which is a pure white color. Let me open this up and I'll show you what these lights look like. Here's the product manual. Let's have a closer look at this LED light. The overall construction is all aluminum. The light uses the newest Korean CSP LED chip. With the CSP LED, the chip size is very compact. Same thing for the other side. With LEDs on both sides, it will output light 360 degrees. Now one thing they've done with the placement of the LED is to match it with the filament on the halogen bulb. By doing that, it reduces the glare that you might get when you swap out halogen bulb with these LED lights. The operating voltage of these lights is 9 volt to 32 volt DC. It is IP65 rated, so it's waterproof. At the base we have this rubber gasket that'll keep moisture out of the headlight housing. Look at the bottom. You see this is a fanless design, so only has heatsink. It does not have any mechanical fan for cooling. At the bottom you have this wiring harness that goes to the connector, and you plug this to the factory harness. Here I'm going to connect one of these lights to my power supply. The light output is a pure white color. It's very bright. For this install, the first thing we'll do is pop open the hood. Starting with the driver's side, if you look behind the headlight housing, that bulb on the left is the low beam bulb. To remove the bulb, first disconnect the connector, press a tab, and pull the connector down. Next we'll rotate the bulb counterclockwise a quarter turn, and then you remove it. And here's the H11 bulb. Here's a side-by-side look of the halogen bulb on the left and the LED light on the right. Next we'll install the LED lights. Plug the two connectors together. Now I'll turn on the headlight and show you the difference between the halogen bulb on the passenger side and the LED light on the driver's side. As you can see, the LED light has a pure white color output. Now on the passenger side, the low beam bulb sits right behind this washer fluid container right here. The light bulb you see on the right is the H11 low beam. The procedure for replacing this light is same as the driver's side. First disconnect the connector. Now turn the connector counterclockwise and remove the bulb. Now we'll install the LED lights. Connect the two connectors together. Now I'll turn on the headlight with both LED bulbs installed. As you can see with these new LED lights, the light output is a nice pure white color now. Here you can see the light output has a nice cutoff line. As you can see, this is a very easy and quick upgrade you can do to your Toyota Tacoma. I do like the performance of these Auxito LED lights. From what I can see, they provide a better lighting output than the regular halogen bulb. And of course, they look very good. Now, if you want to pick up a set of these LED lights, I will include the link in the description below. Let me know if you have any questions or comments in the comment section. Don't forget to click on a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.